Lok Sabha, and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi said, and I quote, "Do they give you some keywords?" So Rahul Gandhi resorted to attacking, questioning the media when a question was posed to him about a privilege motion against him. Let's take a look at the sequence.
आपके खिलाफ प्रिविलेज मोशन लाने की बात is that the word that you people have been given for today? Let me go.
Then substantive motion. Now
Is that the code word? You should tell me the code word in advance. What was yesterday? Yesterday, what was the code word? Authenticate. Authenticate was yesterday. Today is what? Privilege motion today. अपना काम करा करो भाई. मतलब you're not totally employed by the BJP. At least try and do a little bit of objective stuff. You know, it gets really shameful. It's too much. Don't you think? You're responsible people. You're media people. You have a responsibility to be objective. You can't just take a word they give you, right, every day and then run your whole show on that. You're doing a disservice to this country. Are you not able to recognize that?
Let's go across to Mohit, is joining us with more details. Mohit, yesterday when Rahul Gandhi was making those claims and leveling the allegations, it was Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju who said that Rahul Gandhi should authenticate, substantiate the allegations. And it was not a code word given to anybody. He said that inside the House. Everybody saw it. Today when Rahul Gandhi is asked about the privilege motion, he attacks the media, chooses to attack the media, says, are these keywords that are being given by the Bharatiya Janata Party to you, Mohit?
It's a clear case of shooting the messenger. The media was only asking him about the privilege notice that was being mailed by the government, and in fact, it has not come from the sources. Yesterday itself, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, while addressing a press conference, said that the privilege notice motion would be brought in against Rahul Gandhi because he had made certain claims and he was not able to substantiate those particular claims. And this question was asked to Rahul Gandhi today, but we saw that how he attacked the media and said that and alleged that these are the keywords that have been given to the media. And he said that how a disservice is being done to the nation by the media. But the question over here is that it was Rahul Gandhi who made certain claims, and media was just asking about the privilege motion that the government was willing against Rahul Gandhi. But we saw that how he denied answering that question, and in fact he attacked the media over it. This is something.
Let's take a look at that sequence again, Mohit. Do stay on with us.
आपके खिलाफ प्रिविलेज मोशन लाने की बात is that the word that you people have been given for today? Let me go.
Then substantive motion. Now
Is that the code word? You should tell me the code word in advance. What was yesterday? Yesterday, what was the code word? Authenticate. Authenticate was yesterday. Today is what? Privilege motion today. अपना काम करा करो भाई. मतलब you're not totally employed by the BJP. At least try and do a little bit of objective stuff. You know, it gets really shameful. It's too much. Don't you think? You're responsible people. You're media people. You have a responsibility to be objective. You can't just take a word they give you, right, every day and then run your whole show on that. You're doing a disservice to this country. Are you not able to recognize that?
What was Rahul Gandhi's response when asked about a privilege motion against him that the government was mulling, as per reports? But Mohit, the fact that the opposition was mulling a no-trust motion and then they also submitted that to the Lok Sabha Secretary General was also widely reported. So did the opposition and Rahul Gandhi give a keyword or a code word to the media about the no-trust motion?
Well, Swati, I mean, you cannot have that it could be my way, it has to be my way or the highway. The questions will be asked by the media. Now, yesterday, as I was saying, that it was not planted, as Rahul Gandhi said, by the sources. Kiran Rijiju said that they are mulling a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi, given the fact that how exactly he had made certain claims which are unsubstantiated. And when this particular question was asked to Rahul Gandhi, he, instead of answering that, he could have attacked the BJP. He could have responded to the BJP that I have made certain claims, I can substantiate that. But what we saw is that he attacked media and said that certain keywords are being given. No, No keywords are being given to us. Given the fact that, as you rightly pointed out, we also reported that how no confidence motion for removal of speaker has been signed by various opposition parties. We reported that. So
yes, it
our
was the
job is
union
to
minister who
report
said that they were mulling filing a privilege privilege notice against Rahul Gandhi. He said it in the House when he asked for authentication of claims. Everyone who saw the proceedings heard that. Mohit, stay on with us. Meanwhile, union ministers are hitting out at Rahul Gandhi over his statement. Let's listen into some statements.
श्री राहुल गांधी जी बेबुनियाद और झूठे आरोपों के आधार पर देश को गुमराह करने की कोशिश करते हैं, लोगों के बारे में अनाप शनाप झूठ बोलते हैं। दुर्भाग्य है कि बिना किसी आधार के राहुल गांधी जी एक बचपना सा व्यवहार जब पार्लियामेंट में करते हैं, पार्लियामेंट के रूल्स, पार्लियामेंट के रेगुलेशंस, पार्लियामेंट में जो कायदे कानून है, जो परंपराएं हैं, सबकी धज्जियां उड़ाते हैं। एक बड़े कैजुअल पार्लियामेंटेरियन की तरह व्यवहार करते हैं। सीरियस डिबेट के बदले ओछी बातें करते हैं। अनधिकृत विषयों को पार्लियामेंट में उठाते हैं और जो आज भारत विश्व की सबसे तेज गति से बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था है, जो आज हमारा मां भारत विश्व का आकर्षण का देश बना है, पूरा विश्व भारत की तरफ देख रहा है।
जिस तरीके से टिप्पणी करते हैं और बिना ऑथेंटिकेशन के, बिना उसको वैलिडेट किए हुए सिर्फ बोलने के लिए बातों को बोलना सदन के पटल पर, मैं मानता हूं वो एक गंभीर पद पर है और उनको अपने पद की गंभीरता को समझना जरूरी है। ऐसे में मुझे लगता है ये प्रिविलेज मोशन एक ये अधिकार है हर किसी के पास कि अगर कोई ऐसी बातें करता है सदन के पटल में जिसका कोई औचित्य नहीं है, जिसके कोई मायने नहीं है, तो जरूर ऐसा कदम उठाया जा सकता है।
राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि भारत माता को बेच दिया है मोदी। मैंने कहा ना कि मैंने सारी चर्चा की है। मोशन जो है, मैं स्पीकर साहब से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो मेरे मोशन को सर आपने मोशन दे दिया है, क्या कहना चाहिए? राहुल गांधी की सदस्यता रद्द करने के लिए किस तरह से सोरोस फाउंडेशन के साथ, किस तरह यूएसएड के साथ, किस तरह फोर्ड फाउंडेशन के साथ, भारत विरोधी जितनी ताकतें हैं उनके साथ किस तरह से राहुल गांधी जी इस देश को तोड़ना